my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to look 5 to 10 years younger with just avocado, egg and some other natural remedy that will just do the job for you. Alright, this is actually going to be very effective, and it smells like heaven. Alright guys, so let's dive into this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. We're going to be needing to use avocado because avocado is rich in fatty acids and excellent for moisturizing the skin. In addition, avocado contains vitamin E, potassium and other nutrients that is great in nourishing the skin. It also fights aging, it gets rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to tighten up a loose and a flappy aging skin. And then we're going to be needing egg, and of course in this we're going to be needing the egg white. Now egg white is a great remedy that tightens up the pores, and it's a great ingredient to slow down the aging process. It shrinks large and open pores. It helps to remove dark spots. It's also a great natural remedy for the skin because it helps to firm up a loose and a flappy skin. And then we're going to be also adding up rose water and a little bit of glycerin. Now this ingredient helps so much to slow down the aging process of the skin. It helps to reduce the redness of an irritated skin, and it also contains anti-inflammatory property that can help to reduce dermatitis, eczema. It resolves and remove excessive oil. And also we're going to be making use of papaya. This is carica papaya or pawpaw. Now this is a natural home remedy that works so well in rejuvenating the skin. It contains a vitamin C which helps to brighten up the skin. It reduces wrinkles, remove dark under eye. It helps treat eczema, and it also removes suntan. Alright, so to mix this up, I'm going to be taking just a little of the avocado because I have a very huge avocado here. Then I'm going to divide this into 2 sections. And harvest all of the meat into this bowl. Now what I'm going to do is to mash it, okay? And I'm going to be doing that off camera, and I'll be right back when it is properly mashed and mixed very well. Although it's actually very soft, so it's not going to be difficult to mash. Already you can see it's so my avocado is properly mashed, and now I'm going to be putting just a little bit of rose water which would help to calm the skin. We'll be needing the egg whites, which I'm going to be putting in directly. I cut in pieces the avocado, which I'm actually going to go and blend. So I'm going to go blend the avocado. Now the avocado is ready and blended. I'm going to be turning that into the treatment, and that is ready. Okay, now we'll have to stir, and you would have to be patient because it's not going to mix really easily. Now this is set, guys. You are gonna be looking 5 to 10 years younger with this anti-aging and age renewing remedy. It is bomb, like seriously, and it smells good. Now for this, you can actually apply it every day for 2 weeks and tell me how your skin looks, because it's gonna look younger, fresher, like that of a baby's skin. It looks really beautiful in the eyes. Alright, so you're just gonna pack this all over your skin, but first you have to refrigerate it. Okay, you pack it all over your skin. Now the reason why you should and have to always refrigerate your natural ingredients or remedies like this is just so that the effects can be really visible and untimely. Okay, it's everywhere. All right, so what you do is that you're going to wait for 5 to 7 minutes with this treatment on your face. And after 5 to 7 minutes, you can actually wash it all off. Now if you want to massage it, yes, you can go ahead and do that, because it's going to help to lift up all of the dead skin cells. Okay, and it's just going to give you that baby glow. Alright, so after that is done, then you can go ahead to wash it off with a normal water. Follow suit with a toilet soap, a very mild toilet soap. Okay, if you must achieve a baby glow skin, you have to use something very mild, just like this treatment right here. A toilet soap, really mild one, a very mild lotion, oil, and all of that stuff. So anything that contains a lot of chemical is just going to go ahead and damage your skin. Yeah, so you'll also have to avoid all of those stuff. And okay guys, so that's it. It looks just like you've seen. It looks really nice and friendly, and it smells good, and it does a whole lot of stuff on your on your face. It helps to remove fine lines, wrinkles, dark spot, and all of that stuff, and it plump up your skin basically. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and like this video, and also share and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless, and bye guys.